What is up, y'all? It's your girl More Nigeria back with another video, and today's video will be me reviewing the viral fruit pastry. So I did a little research on TikTok, and I've been seeing these fruit pastries go around, and people has been buying like the tray of the different ones and trying them all. So I decided to go on TikTok, look at Milwaukee, and see if anybody had the fruit pastries. And this coffee shop that's down on the lower Milwaukee east side had them. So as I was doing Uber yesterday, I was in the area already, so I decided to stop. And I kind of did a small brief review on it, so I'm going to freeze this video and I'm going to put the TikTok up here so you can see my review. And then I'll come back on here and give you guys my final thoughts, okay? So, hold on. Alright, y'all, we headed to go try the fruit pastries. I just found this little spot up here in Milwaukee. Let's see if they really got them. And I ain't paying an arm and a leg for them. And if they high, I'm only getting one.
Go past this line.
There it is. Okay, I secured the drink and the mousse. Let's try this first. This is a strawberry refresher. Mind y'all, they just got me out of $20 for two items. Two items. $10, pretty much $10 a piece. So, let's give this a try. Mind y'all, I can't fully taste this properly because I literally seen him using Dole strawberry lemonade. So I just paid for a juice that was probably like $3 for the whole container of juice. I paid $10 for it, okay? Basically paying for the name, but okay. It's pretty good. I don't know if he added something else in there, maybe the fresh strawberries, I don't know, but it's good. All right. I got my phone tilted because y'all got to be able to hear me. Okay? The moment y'all been waiting for. I got the strawberry fruit pastry. Y'all seen, I'm gonna put a clip in of how the rest of them look. The rest of them, I ain't have enough money to keep. I probably would have spent $100 in there trying to try fruit pastries. No, thank you. But this is what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. I ain't lying either. Because if it was nasty, I'd tell you. That's why I stick to something that I knew. Because I wasn't finna be in there trying new flavors and I don't know what I like. Wasting money. It's already high, but this is good. Okay. Alright. That gave me a little boost. That was good. Y'all, they even had a Labubu Dubai chocolate one. I'm not into like pistachio and chocolate mix, so I ain't get that one. I was going to get it for the TikTok hype, but I ain't around here just wasting money like that. I already just wasted $20 on two items. But that was definitely worth the try. I'ma just keep trying the rest of them, I guess. I'ma just have to come one by one because I don't see myself spending $50 on 5 pastries. Alright, y'all, so that was the review. As you can see, they had tons of other pastries to try. I stuck to something that I knew because I didn't want to buy it and it was nasty, you know. So I stuck to what I knew and I got the strawberry one. It was very good. I would give it maybe a 9 out of 10. It tasted like a strawberry parfait. It was really good. It was like a, yeah, it tasted like a cake parfait. Yeah, I would give it a 9. I felt like the pricing was very high. I feel like it's only high right now because it's viral on TikTok. And I kind of hyped their head when I said I found y'all on Facebook, when in reality I didn't find them on Facebook. I just did research on my own. So he was a little hype about that. He started talking in their language because it was called Haraz. I think it's Haraz or Hazar, or I don't know how to say it, but it's like an Indian cultured coffee shop. So he started speaking in their language, and he kind of mentioned to the dude that I said Facebook. But I got them 2 items. I paid $21. As you heard in the video, I literally seen dude pour juice into my cup. Like I said, I don't know what else he mixed it with. It was super good, but that container of juice that he was pouring in there was probably $3 at the grocery store. And I had spent $10 on it. But I wouldn't have never knew that if I didn't see it. But he needs to learn how to be a little bit more discreet with what he's doing, for people find out and they don't be buying any more lemonade. But outside of that, they had like a little boo-boo Dubai chocolate. I was going to get that one for the TikTok hype, but I didn't get it because I don't like pistachios and chocolate mix. So why waste your money when it's already high, right? No, I'm not doing that. So they had like a little boo-boo one. They had a mango one, a peach one. It was a variety of different fruit pastries, and it was also other people in there kind of like scared to ask about them, so I stepped up and I asked first. It was a man behind me. He was kind of trying to see what I was getting and like what I was recording, all that different stuff. And then there was a lady that was ordering ahead of me, but she didn't know what she wanted. But I think she was in there for the fruit pastry. She just didn't want to say that. But I don't know why. That'll get the buyer more interested in trying to get you to buy something from them. So overall, I would give the coffee shop a 9 out of 10. The aesthetic was super nice. It was super quiet in there. You could work in there. It was laid out to the T. It was very upscale. It was a very upscale coffee house, which explains their pricing. But yeah, everything, the 2 items that I got was really good. Like I said, I can't see myself going in there and spending probably $100 to try all 10, because there were maybe like $8 to $10 a piece after tax. It was about $10 for one of the fruit pastries. So I'll just continue to try them over time as I continue to think about them. But as of right now, my fruit pastry hunt is at an end because now I know where to get them. But yeah, I just came on here to let y'all know that I tried it. It was good. And if you're in Milwaukee, go try Hazar House. I think that's how you say it. Go give it a try. Come back on here, comment, and let me know what you think about the viral fruit pastries. But that is all for this video, you guys. We will be trying the Asian market next week, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you know every time I post a video, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
I don't even say bye no more. I be like, mwah, no bras.